Finally, I get to hike Angel's Landing. We wake up really early, and me and my dad get to the shuttle that takes us to the bus stop, the Grotto. We first have to hike the West Rim Trail, then straight up to Angel's Landing.
Waiting in line.
We have what? So we've been 1 mile?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. That would have been I don't know, quarter of meters. When we're about halfway up, I look up and see the sun shining directly on the cliff. It looks like it's on fire.
Crazy to be here during a rainstorm and see that water come down that.
This next part looks really steep on the video. That's because it is. I'm grateful for the chain to hold on to.
This is cool. This is super cool. Yeah. Yeah, I guess this isn't really an Ezra and Simon trail, is it? At the destination, if it starts to rain or something, you're gonna be in big trouble. That's a cool little cliff, huh? That's cool.
Once we get high enough to see the other hikers walking the thin ridge in single file, I get really excited. If all those people can do it, I can do it. You have to be really careful and steady, watching every footstep. Hikers wait patiently for others to pass, because in some parts, there's only room for one person at a time.
Yeah, this is awesome. This is so cool. So here, Benson and I are approaching the last ascent of Angel's Landing. Pretty intense. Lots of people are quitting. Here we go. Alright, let's go.
And we're here. Finally, we're at the top. we see a little friend who didn't have to work as hard as us to get here. Sometimes I wish I could fly. I would spend a lot of time on tops of mountains.
Yep, that's straight down.
And now it's time to head back down. By this time, it's not as early in the morning, and there's a lot of people. Sometimes you just have to wait for all the people to pass. But hikers are really friendly. It's like you have a common bond, since you all have the same goal, to get up to the top.
You killed it. Nice.
You're a beast, man. Trust us.
Would be nice. So the question is, should you take your kids up Angel's Landing? And my answer, most little kids probably shouldn't come up Angel's Landing. It's really long, 3 to 6 hours. It's steep and it's difficult. Dad stayed with me the whole entire time, and I was super careful, and I've been hiking for many years. So if you have a kid like me, then that's a whole nother story. Join us next week. We're gonna have fun at Great Basin in Nevada, where we hike to see some of the oldest trees in the world. See you then.
So tell us about this, Mark.
Well, even though these trees don't look that big at all, some of them are nearly 5,000 years old.